it always goes back to that habit of thinking that, or believing, it's like something happens that seems like chaos, or it doesn't happen in the way that you expect it to happen, so you assume that you're doing something wrong, and you ask the question, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? And then you believe in the fact that there is something wrong within the universe that you are, and because the thing is, as soon as you think that there's something wrong, the solution is created. So there can never be anything wrong, ever. It's not even possible, because and even your labeling something as wrong within you creates the solution. And it's not about reality as such, it's about your perception of reality. Because we all perceive things differently. I could perceive a red coffee cup as blue, and you could perceive it as purple. But in reality it's red. But you see purple. So it's, it's all subjective. And the subjectivity and the judgments that you make create the opposite polarity. It's like you label something as wrong, then the right is created on the other side to keep everything in balance, because the wrong couldn't exist without the solution. It just couldn't exist. The opposite sides of the same coin, and you can't ever chop the right side off without having a left side, if you know what I mean. Like you can't have right without left. So, and the paradox is you are both, and you should love both because they create who you are. And that's pretty much all I have to say. Other than I feel so in alignment, but there's still like this niggly little it's like, am I doing the right thing? It's like, now that just you being here and doing this process is it's like doing hours, days, weeks even of work, just pure alignment, pure thought, being in pure 64 seconds. There's something like 20,000 action hours. And by focusing on this thought and keeping the stream, keeping my focus going while listening to myself, I'm doing that work. And your logical mind comes in and is like, oh, but you're not actually doing anything action-wise. But I'm leveraging the power of the universe and opening the vortex, opening the door to all that I've created in my so-called future, and I'll unfold as the synchronicity that I've created. That's really the gold right there.